Now we are going to see how to create this kinetic typography animation. Let's get started. As you can see, we just add a text layer. This is my composition setting. Now we create a new composition. I am using HD resolution. We call it bubble text animation. Now we insert text composition and align it to center. We also add CC reptile effect on it. Now change down value to 400. Change up value to 1500. Press S for scale. Now press P for position. Change position value. We also change expand down value. Add position keyframe, then go forward approx 10 seconds, and change position value. Now create a pre-compose by Ctrl-Shift-C, call it text move. Delete it, and add new solid layer. Change its width to 5760. We also add Venetian blinds effect on it. Change transition to 50%, change width to 360. Change direction to 25. Now press P for position, add position keyframe, then go forward approx 10 seconds, and change position value. Now we add an adjustment layer. We also add fast box blur effect on it. Change blur radius to 60. Select all layer. We create a pre-compose, we call it waves. Now insert text move composition. We also add displacement map on it. Change map layer to waves. Change horizontal value to 0. And vertical value to 30. Select all layer, we create a pre-compose, we call it animation 1. Delete composition, and insert text move composition. We also add fill effect on it. Change any color you want. Now add turbulent displace effect on it. Change amount to 50. Size to 700. Change offset to 450 and 1942. Select composition and create a pre-compose, we call it animation 2. Hide the composition, and draw a circle like that. Now press P for position, add keyframe and change position value up to down. Alt-click on stopwatch, and type this. Our infinity loop is ready, let's see. Now in this same way we create 3 more circle. Please like this video and subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Select all layer and add fill effect on it. Change color to white. Now add fast box blur effect on it. Change radius value to 36. Now add black solid for background. Bring it to down. Select all layer. We create a pre-compose, we call it matte bubble. Now we are going to duplicate the matte bubble composition. Open composition setting, rename it to matte invert bubble. Create a new adjustment layer. And we also add invert effect on it. Turn on motion blur on both composition. Now we come at bubble text animation composition. We are going to insert invert bubble composition, and animation 1 composition. Now unhide animation 1 and 2 composition. Double-click on animation 2 composition, and create a black solid for background. Bring it to down, and come back. Now we add CC Globalize effect on animation 2. Change blob layer to matte layer. Change softness to 200. Copy the effect by Ctrl+C and paste it to animation 1 by Ctrl+V. Change blob layer to matte invert layer, and change cutaway to 40. I hope this tutorial helped you to make your own kinetic typography. Please like this video and subscribe the channel to motivate us, and see you in next tutorial.